morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching my video from. Guys, anyway, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are fine. I hope you guys are doing well. Guys, guess what? Oh my God. My friend, she wants to take me out today. Like, she wants to take me out to buy some food, things. Oh my God. You can imagine what a good friend, eh? She wants to take me out for some things. This place we are going, I've never been there before. She just wants to show me the place, guys. Oh my God. She said the place is very big. So she wants to show me the place, okay? So guys, if you don't mind, just come with me. Okay, just come with me. Come and view with me, okay, guys? You need to see the place. It's so beautiful, so big. Oh my God! Don't worry, guys. Just stay tuned. Okay, you can see my friend. She's in my back. Okay, she's coming. Okay, guys. Oh my God! I need to share this with you guys. I need you guys to be here with me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, we are just catching some fun. Wow. Hey. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. We are going to buy some food, some things, you know. Before you guys will say that this woman like food. Oh my God. Yeah. Nobody. Just come with me, guys. Oh. The place is so beautiful. Okay, guys. See you in a jiffy. Bye-bye. She's here. Oh my God. We came to buy something. So, guys, stay with us and see what we are buying. Okay, guys. As I said before, we are here to buy. Wow, this is so good. I think I'm going to take the pink, or that'll be green. Yeah. To buy this. Okay, guys, come with me. The place is very big, guys. This is called Metro. This is Metro, guys. Guys, we are here to buy. Oh my God. This is so beautiful. Oh my gosh. This place is called Metro. And there's a lot of things to buy. Oh my God. Yeah, this is toys. Yeah. Guys, we are going to buy today. Oh my God. I'm going to buy. Okay, guys, buying. Stay tuned. Oh, I'm just filming. Okay, guys.
How they cost?
We want now this product.
It okay.
Now this product.
Ah, Margareta.
Margarita, yeah. Oh, this one is still better. Let's say this one bones somehow.
Huh?
It bones somehow.
I never tried it. The one they eat now this side. They go inside from Pafla with host.
Oh, it be like say that one won't do okay.
That one.
Oh, this one, eh?
Restaurant.
Ah, this restaurant. Which
I
one?
don't know whether you like them. Not the tomatoes, but now kiwi.
And my kids, they like the one where this thing they do.
This one now, like to the roast.
No, not the cow. Number first. Nothing, no meat inside. Go put her down.
No meat,
No meat, but now why you want to something? Me, I first get pizza for her. I get, it's just I want person.
Because of my children, they like this.
Now abuse my children, they like. Guys, we finished buying. We're about to go out now. Okay, guys. So, we're just going to pay and start living. My people, my people. That's not that woman they talk about. My people. Before you go, it's vlogging. I'm just showing people around.
Your cut and start again is better for me. The person of you stay there boring.
Did
They
you?
did it. 2 minutes.
Huh.
You never there now.
Oh, God. Guys, we finished buying. Thank you for watching. Okay, guys, we are done for today. We are about to go now. We are just going to pay. Guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. See you on my next video, guys. Bye. You know I love you guys. Stay blessed. Stay cool. Bye.